Guys, today I'm going to talk about this Secura kettle that I got. It's a double wall stainless steel, so even when it's hot, it's not going to affect your skin. You can put your hands, and once you fill up to the top right here, and it's completely stainless steel inside out. Even the lid that faces the kettle is still stainless steel, and I put maximum and I closed the kettle, and I'm gonna wait for a couple of minutes. So there's a safety feature. Once the kettle comes to rolling boil, it automatically shuts off. That's one of the safety features they have, and it comes with this amazing booklet. It's a user instructions. I would highly recommend you guys to read this before you use this product. And there you go. It says there's a welcome note from the company, and here is the important safety information that you can see. And there's some tips for cleaning and maintenance, and how to store your appliance, and this would be safe before reading before you use the product. I can see everything in here, and I really like this auto shut off. And here are some of their best products. I'm gonna try the deep fryer. It looks really good. So next I will be reviewing their electric deep fryer.